As you can imagine, being a nurse at this time is challenging sometimes.
Carle Hospital in Urbana is caring for 9 COVID-19 patients right now, and the hospital staff have been working hard to keep up with the growing need and constant changes during this pandemic. Good evening, I'm Jennifer Roscoe. WCIA3's Courtney Bunting talked with the nursing leader at Carle, and she has the story.
Keeping a hospital running takes the combined effort of a lot of people. Teresa Green is one of those dedicated workers. She oversees the nursing staff at the hospital, where they're caring for 9 COVID-19 patients.
We try to do everything that we can for the patient in that one time so that we're really conserving our PPE and making sure that we're limiting the number of times that we're having to go travel throughout a department.
Staff are also limiting face-to-face interaction.
And I think we all enjoy communicating with one another face-to-face, but during this time we've had to be a little bit more creative. So whether that's via Zoom meetings or emails.
Carle has implemented some ways to keep nurses from wearing work clothes home.
At the hospital here in Urbana, we have a scrub central, which is amazing. So we can change out of scrubs before we even go home. And then in terms of PPE, anyone that walks in the building has access to a mask as soon as they walk into the building.
One thing that nurses want people to remember is that even though they're taking care of COVID-19 patients, they are still here for people who need other necessary care.
If you are having any symptoms that are emergent, such as chest pain, shortness of breath, any symptoms of stroke, we absolutely do not want you to hesitate to come to the emergency room to receive the care that you need.
But while the work can be exhausting, Green says it's more rewarding than anything else.
At Carle, we have this opportunity to serve our community in a really meaningful way during this time. So it's easy to find gratitude in those moments where we know that we're doing everything that we can to keep the community safe.
In Urbana, Courtney Bunting, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Now, Carle is still taking donations of N95 masks and any cloth masks you might have. They ask everyone to follow CDC guidelines and wear one while in public, but to also be aware they don't prevent the spread. The best thing you can do is stay home.